Alright, so I know this video is not going to be the best quality, but this is a 2007 Nissan Altima, also 2007 to 2012 Nissan Altima's window switch. When the window switch stopped working, you get a response out one or two switches. Usually it caused from this debris on the switch. What I'm doing is pouring rubbing alcohol down the board, cleaning the connectors, and I already tested it out in the car, and this one wasn't working, and now it is. But I will show you working when I get it all put back together. Also, another thing is solder starts to break. I know it's not the best solder job, it's one of the crappy solder jobs, but you get the point. So I'm going to finish cleaning this up to look a little more like this and show you guys it works when installed in the car. Real quick, best way to get this somewhat scored up and clean: rubbing alcohol, your Q-tip, and a knife. That's basically all you need. And if you want to do a solder test and make sure your solder's good, so of course iron and some solder. Alright, so I don't have somebody help me, but there's the board. I went up back over the solder a little bit, tried to make it a little more neater. Back together, ready to put back in. So remind you, these two were not working at all, and this one was cutting in and out once in a while, but I'm not worried about these. I'm going to show you these. These are the ones I tore apart and cleaned. So I'm going to put this down real quick. I'm going to put this on. Alright, so first one. Alright, cool, that one's working. That one is still down. And look at that. It's working. Imagine that. So this means messing around, instead of me going to spend $500 fucking dollars for a new switch. I just poured rubbing alcohol over it, scrubbed it down a little bit, soldered the back of it, and now I have a one that works. Let me see, auto works. See if I have not a problem with auto. Next thing, probably clean the motors. But again, oh, wrong one. Again, that's how you fix a 2007 to 2012 Nissan Altima main window switch. Now all I gotta do is go back in there, put the housing back on, and my windows work. No, save me $500. Hope you guys have any other questions, just message me. Sorry for the poor quality. I just want to send this out here just to help you guys. Alright, have a great day, and thanks for watching.